here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanadon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
So is that question.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Cearadactylus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Raptor.
Time to get serious. Launching autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified.
Dinosaurs.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify. Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Impact in 90 seconds.
We gotta move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60
We
seconds.
can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Basic maneuvers. Left, right, left, right. That's close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanadon.
We're getting it. Get them out now.